Our topic for today is diagnosing computer systems.
PC diagnosing, probably the most frustrating problem computer users run into startup problems where your computer won't boot. Trial and error. When you find faulty components in your computer, check it with the other computer so that you can make sure whether the fault is a component or not. Check cables. In case of any device failure, check all the cables of your computer, such as data cables, power cables, intercircuity cables, and make sure all these are plugged in and working fine. Hardware settings. Check the hardware settings in CMOS and in device manager of the system and make all the device drivers up to date and all the cards are plugged in properly. Event viewer. In the event viewer, you find the error or warning messages associated with any faulty hardware or software. Make notes. Troubleshooting is a big learning option and we can learn a lot with when we face any kind of troubleshooting on our computer. Common PC problems and solution. You are working away to computer when you suddenly up comes an error message or worse, your computer comes to a screeching halt. Here are the common computer problems and solutions that can help you. Check the POST. POST stands for Power On Self-Test. This is generally the first or second things that appear on your computer after turning on the power. Notice the load time of the OS operating system. A longer than usual load time may indicate errors in the hard drive. Notice any graphics problems once the OS has loaded. Reduced graphics may indicate drivers failures or hardware failures with graphic card. Perform an auditory test. An auditory test is unorthodox but still effective way of judging how a computer is working. Check any newly installed hardware. Many operating systems, especially Windows, can conflict with new drivers. Check any newly installed software. Chances are that if a problem begins after software starts, the software is causing it. Check RAM and CPU consumption. A common problem is a choppy or sluggish system. Listen to the computer. If the hard drive is scratching or making loud noises, shut off the computer and have a professional diagnose the hard drive. Run a virus and malware scan. Performance problems can caused by malware on the computer. Check for the problem in safe mode. To enter safe mode, tap F8 repeatedly during post or POST. Common troubleshooting for computer units. Double check the power connections. Voltage regulator and power supply could cause power failure in computer unit. Check the power codes and cable connectors in your computer unit. Unseated card. Loose cards could cause malfunction. Check the boot sequence configuration in the advanced BIOS. Basic input-output unit setup. Things to look for if PC is connected to the internet or net. First, check the cable connecting to the network card into the network hub. Check the back of the computer to see if the network card is light on. Check the network cable. Use cable tester. Check the network hub. Use multi-tester.